Who took all my Char Siu sauce?
B.I. You're talking about sauce, you know. Got another advert, they can't believe it when they saw it. It was like RAH ZUU, I got the sauces, PENG A LENG. Gonna have to start calling me Char Siu, ZW, Lee come key. Man teach you so you're ready in the classroom. Put it on meat, seafood or veg. There's nothing that this one can't do. Jeez. Let me bless you like you had to sneeze. Do you know the word? Leng in British slang means the same thing in Cantonese. Char Siu with the vibes is honey and sweet. Like I said, you can have it on veg, seafood, you can have it on meat. When they bring this one out, it's a treat. Might bust it up on any occasion. You can have it on food that ain't Asian. Ain't no delay, you know what they say. Food's better with the Char Siu participation. Elevate your creations. Big Zuu bringing Char Siu to the nation. Man got it in heavy rotation. Put it on food for a great sensation. Got another advert, they can't believe it when they saw it. It was like RAH ZUU, I got the sauces, PENG A LENG. Gonna have to start calling me Char Siu, ZW, Lee come key. Man teach you so you're ready in the classroom. Put it on meat, seafood or veg. There's nothing that this one can't do. That's calm.
That was nice.
You're a fool.
Great job, guys.
Water.